Hey guys, so I'm gonna be hooking up my saline. Just washed my hands. Okay. So this is how I like to do this. First thing is open up the tubing. Okay. It's a little tangled here. Alright, so all untangled. Now what I like to do first is clamp my tubing. Pull this piece over. I'm gonna hold our bag upside down. Here to get that open. Now we're gonna stab the pointy piece into the saline band. You can see it's all the way in there. We're going to flip this bag upside down. We're going to hang it on our pole. Alright. I'm going to squeeze the saline. I don't know if you guys can see up here. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to squeeze a little bit in. I like to fill it about halfway. Right now that is done, we are going to take our dial flow and actually I'm gonna open our clamp first. So open the clamp so that way you don't get any bubbles, and can't really see, but it is going down slowly. And then once it reaches the dial flow, then we'll control the rate of it. Right now that it's reached the dial flow, some people put it on open. I like to put it on the highest that it goes to 50. So that way we could prime it a little quicker. I'm gonna put it close to open. That way, see it's traveling through. Prime it. We never want to get any air, so we want to make sure we get all those any air bubbles out. All right, perfect. You see it dripping. So you know it's primed. So now I'm going to clamp it, and I did put it closer to open. So you really don't want to run on open. I like to keep mine on around 200 to 250, so that way we could get the bag within like a 6 to 8 hour time frame. And when you see the drops, we want it to drip at each second, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Once you see it dripping like that normally, then you that's the rate that you want to stop yours at. Mine usually falls between 200 to 250. So all right, next thing, we're gonna get our saline. Right, just double checking the date, making sure nothing's expired, because I had some older supplies from last time, and I'd rather use the ones that are older, so that way the newer ones, they have a longer expiration on it. The alcohol pad, you're gonna clean our end of the port, or if you have a PICC line, and you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Open this up. It's going to take out our air. Not everybody takes out the air. You'll notice in the hospital a lot of times they don't. I like to. It's just a little nicer not having the air if you don't have to. I mean, who wants extra air in the vein, right? We'll open our clamp here. Right. It is giving us some resistance, which we kind of expected because this is a smaller needle. It's the needle I usually use. But as time's going on, I seem to be requiring a little bit of a larger needle, so. But it went through, so can't complain. All right, since this didn't touch anything, we left it closed while priming. We're gonna take one off. You can clean it with alcohol, but I just know that being that it's a sterile cap, you don't have to. We're gonna hook this up. Okay, we open our clamp up. We're gonna open the clamp here on our saline bag. As you can see, we got it dripping. It's going 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. So that's perfect, and yep, this will run for quite a few hours.